Look at the lineup of the bands real quick. You got the lamb in the bag. Is that cop talking?
Disclaimer, this video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
Did I close the back door, right?
What up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And right now, we're stopped at a gas station.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
I'm actually on my way right now to a little CARMEET and a little cruise. We're supposed to be heading up to a canyon, so I'm pretty excited for this. A 5.0, another 5.0. I mean, we see AMGs over here, 63s. Should I pro the 63s or what? I'm gonna go get the big turn, fuck around my 63s. I'm fuck camera over here.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
We got him. I'm gonna put right next to him. You gonna take me to jail for my break?
Yeah.
We mad at it. Alright, we're gonna go line up the cars with my other AMGs. My other AMGs. I went to run a couple people over for the spot, not even gonna lie.
Y'all are going to jail!
I'm gonna show y'all the AMG lines real quick, because there's like 5 AMGs lined up.
Cap.
Y'all look at the lineup of the bands real quick. We got the 63, I think we got the 53, if I'm not mistaken. Another 63, I put on my 63 over there. We just had another 63 pull up right now, so this lineup of bands is pretty clean. Little Chevy lineup, SS off the Z01. I check out this rap. This rapper is crazy. On bead logs. Carbon fiber everywhere. Everywhere. This cat is hard. Alright, y'all, it's time to roll. Everybody's heading out now. I just set the GoPro. I'm looking unprepared.
Oh, brother!
I just came out the restroom. In my hands and all, man.
Ew, you nasty ass bastard! Police! Police!
Lineup is crazy. Y'all look at the lineup for real though. You got the lamb in the back, you got the M3s, the M4s, the RS3s. We in the big 63s. People is tripping. I'm scared, man. There's at least like 100. How many people do you think there is?
Like
130.
50.
50 people.
130?
What is that? Cop? Chopper? Is that cop chopper? I think that's a Lambo. We're about to get on the highway right now. It sounded like some crazy shit going on. I don't even know what's going on. I'm terrified.
20 minutes later.
Only a mile. Bro, I think we passed it. Everybody's getting lost.
Alright, so we actually ended up getting lost.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This sounds crazy. This sounds like a rocket, bro. Yeah, this Carmie was popping, but I don't know what just happened. Everybody got dislocated, so I guess we're just heading back down, to be honest. Ah, damn.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
So good. Nobody's gonna hear you scream.
I don't even know where we're at. This ain't safe. This ain't safe to be, but I mean, I'm trying to get some pictures of the car real quick or whatever. You got the Porsche over there. Sunset's going down and stuff. Looking nice with the car. Car's looking clean. I was gonna go get a car wash before the meet, before the whole cruise and stuff, but I just didn't have time. It was literally like a last minute thing. I literally cleaned my sandals and everything, y'all, so I was not prepared at all. I don't know if this is the end of the video, but we're up here. I don't know what the we're gonna do. The cat on cat. Alright, we're gonna get back on the road. I'm gonna hit y'all some more GoPro footage. Yeah, I can hear the fucking whistle from the cabin. I can't wait till I get some intakes in this. I can already hear the whistle, bro. And now with the intakes and some downpipes, it's gonna sound crazy.